Hi there. If you are tired of feeling overwhelmed by taxes or worried about IRS audits, this video is exactly where you need to be. I'm Ina Bolovic, an IRS enrolled agent and tax strategist based in Vancouver, Washington. And today I am going to share the top 5 mistakes I see small business owners and entrepreneurs making every year and precisely how you can avoid them. Stick around because I promise you'll walk away with tips that could save you thousands and spare your headaches. Neglecting proper record keeping. One of the biggest mistakes I constantly see is proof of record keeping. Too many business owners throw away receipts or forget to document their expenses properly. Remember, your expenses directly reduce your taxable income. I once worked with a client who lost over $5,000 in deductions simply because they did not keep organized records. Solution: get into a habit of digitalizing everything. Apps like QuickBooks, Expensify, or even dedicated Google Drive folders make this easy. IRS doesn't care if you are sure you spent the money. You spent the money, they want proof. Operating solely as a sole proprietor. Staying as a sole proprietor for too long can cost you a lot in unnecessary taxes. If your business is consistently profitable, you should seriously consider forming an LLC and potentially electing an S corporation status. Why? Because electing S corp status can significantly lower your self-employment tax, saving you thousands every year. I regularly help clients save upwards from $7,000 to $10,000 annually by making this simple shift. Solution: talk to a tax professional like an enrolled agent or a tax strategist who can assess your specific situation and guide you through the right structure to maximize your savings legally, ignoring quarterly estimated taxes. If you're self-employed or own a business, you can't afford to ignore estimated taxes. The IRS requires quarterly payments through the year, not just one lump sum in April. If you skip this, you risk facing hefty penalties and interest charges. Solution: set a reminder for IRS due dates, typically April 15th, June 15th, September 15th, and January 15th. Use EFTPS systems online to easily schedule your payments, keeping your finances stress-free and penalty-free. Relying solely on DIY tax softwares. Sure, TurboTax or similar software might seem great for simple returns, but when you own a business, have rental properties, investments, or a side hustle, things get complicated quickly. I recently had a client who DIY'd their return, misclassified some major deductions, and ended up with a costly IRS audits. Hiring a tax professional would cost them far less than what they paid in penalties and additional taxes. Solution: find an experienced tax professional like an enrolled agent who understands your business, knows tax law inside and out, and can help you claim every deduction legally possible. Mixing business and personal finances. Still running your business expenses from your personal checking account? Stop right now. Mixing finances makes your taxes complicated and increases your risk of an IRS audit. Solution: open a dedicated checking account today. Not only does it simplify your bookkeeping, but also clearly separates business expenses and making it far easier to substantiate deductions if IRS ever comes in knocking. Let's quickly recap these crucial points. Keep clear and organized records. Structure your business correctly, LLC as corporation. Always pay quarterly estimated taxes, and don't rely solely on DIY tax softwares for complex situations. Separate your personal and business finances clearly. If you found these tips valuable, hit that like button and subscribe for more real-world, actionable tax strategies. And if you want personalized advice to minimize your taxes right now and maximize your savings, click the link below in the description to schedule a free consultation today, and I cannot wait to help you keep more of your hard-earned money exactly where it belongs in your pocket. And see you in the next video.